34. No, I have to do just in the I have a waist train I'm supposed to hold it. So I'm going to do this for the
Imagine without the waist train.
That's tragic. That's 34.
And that is with waist trainer, guys. That is with. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemisha, aka Island Mommy, and today my niece is celebrating her 3rd birthday, so we're going to be stopping by. We're not having like a party, just family and eating some cake. So we're going to be heading over there now. I'm going to set up the backdrop and stuff like that, and yeah, I'm just taking you guys along. It's super windy, so you're probably not even hearing me properly, but that's what I'm going to be doing today, so stay tuned.
Guys, did you all see that? Like, she just walked away. She's so savage. Like, I should have just went home, right? She just shamed me. Anyways, this is what the setup ended up looking like. I just did something really simple. So, yeah, we're going to cut cake and stuff now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sana. Happy birthday to you. Don't worry. 3, blow. Blow again.
Blow too high.
Blow again. Two, 3. Yeah. Shania.
Come on, my one.
That's it. No, I have to do just in the I have a waist train I'm supposed to hold it. So I'm going to do this for the
Imagine without the waist train.
That's tragic. That's 34.
And that is with waist trainer, guys. That is with.
She have video. We have to see video.